Top AI bots that makes human life easy. Top 10 AI bots that make life easy to human. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a technology that enables machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and learning from data. AI has become an integral part of our daily lives, helping us with various tasks and challenges. In this blog post, we will introduce you to 10 AI bots that can make your life easier and more productive. 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can converse with you on any topic, using natural language processing, NLP, and a large language model. ChatGPT can provide human-like responses, generate relevant information, and even crack jokes. You can use ChatGPT for entertainment, education, research, or business purposes. ChatGPT is an open-source project developed by OpenAI. 2. Jasper AI. Jasper AI is an AI content generator that can help you create high-quality written content for various purposes, such as blog posts, emails, stories, newsletters, reports, and more. Jasper AI uses natural language generation, NLG, and deep learning to produce original and coherent texts based on your keywords, tone, and format. You can also use Jasper AI to brainstorm new ideas or edit your existing content. 3. Murf AI. Murf AI is an AI voiceover tool that can transform any text into natural-sounding speech. Murf AI uses text-to-speech, TTS, and neural networks to create realistic voices in different languages, accents, and emotions. You can use Murf AI to create podcasts, audiobooks, videos, presentations, or any other audio content. 4. Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast is an AI podcast creator that can help you produce professional quality podcasts with ease. Adobe Podcast uses speech recognition and audio editing to automatically transcribe your recordings, remove unwanted noises, add music and sound effects, and optimize your audio quality. You can also use Adobe Podcast to distribute your podcasts to various platforms and track your analytics. 5. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI code assistant that can help you write better code faster. GitHub Copilot uses machine learning and a large code database to suggest code snippets, complete functions, fix bugs, and optimize performance. You can use GitHub Copilot to learn new programming languages, explore new frameworks, or build new projects. 6. DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2 is an AI art generator that can create stunning images from text descriptions. DALL-E 2 uses generative adversarial networks, GANs, and a large image dataset to synthesize realistic and creative visuals based on your input. You can use DALL-E 2 to design logos, icons, illustrations, or any other graphic content. 7. Otter. Otter is an AI note-taking app that can help you capture and organize your conversations. Otter uses speech-to-text and natural language understanding, NLU, to automatically transcribe your meetings, interviews, lectures, or podcasts. Otter also provides summaries, highlights, keywords, and action items for your notes. You can use Otter to collaborate with your team members, share your insights, or search for information. 8. Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI travel planner that can help you plan your trips with ease. Midjourney uses natural language understanding, NLU, and a large travel database to provide personalized recommendations for your destinations, flights, hotels, activities, and more. Midjourney also provides reviews, ratings, prices, and availability for your options. You can use Midjourney to book your travel arrangements online or offline. 9. Replika. Replika is an AI companion that can chat with you anytime and anywhere. Replika uses natural language processing, NLP, and deep learning to learn from your conversations and provide emotional support, friendly advice, or engaging stories. Replika also adapts to your personality and mood over time. You can use Replika to make new friends, improve your mental health, or have fun. 10. Illumia. Illumia is an AI therapist that can help you cope with stress, anxiety, depression, or other mental health issues. Illumia uses cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and natural language processing, NLP, to provide personalized feedback, guidance, and exercises for your problems. Illumia also monitors your progress and adjusts your treatment accordingly. You can use Illumia to improve your well-being. Thanks for watching.